Welcome into Wave 3 Listens Live. I'm Michael Vanover, joined by a familiar face of the program, Lisa Innenbach from 25 Again by Body Shapes Medical. You can always give them a call at 502-425-0500 or 25again.com. Lisa, good to have you in today.
Thanks for having me. Oh, I want to mention, I just spoke with Kevin. Don't anybody worry about the weather. I told him, get it all under control, and he's got this.
He's got it. Okay, everybody stay safe out there for sure. Jeremy Ward also joining me. Jeremy, how are you?
Great. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for being here. We've got a great story to talk about today with you, and I can't wait to hear about it. But first, Lisa, for the folks at home that are not familiar with 25 Again, I know there's a few of them out there, not many.
Yeah.
Just give us a little bit of background of everything that you guys do.
Absolutely. Might be living under a rock if you haven't heard of us. But 25 Again, hence the name. You know, when you're 25, how do you feel? More than likely, you feel great. You're sleeping through the night. Your energy levels are good. Your sex drive is there. Your metabolism works. All these things start to go down as you age. Why? Because your hormone levels go down. There's nothing that you can do about that. Absolutely nothing. People come to me all the time and say, do I need you just because I need to lose weight? No, that is one thing that causes inflammation in the body, but you need us if you're about 35, probably. You definitely need us if you're 40 because you start to lose those hormones. What happens when you lose hormones? Study after study after study, years of science is behind it. Your body could start to have age-related disease. We're talking diabetes, we're talking cancer, we're talking Alzheimer's, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, depression. We were just talking a minute ago. Unfortunately, I've lost a couple friends this year to suicide who were not on our program, and I feel maybe so if I could have helped them out in some way, because these things do start to happen as we age. And again, it's because your levels of hormones are not where they were when you were 25. That's what's going to happen. The only thing that you can do to prevent that is to replace those, and you want to do it bioidentically. A lot of people are confused. Well, my doctor put me on synthetic hormones, and then I was on them for like a year or two, and he or she took me off. Well, that's because the studies behind that do show those can help with your symptoms, but long term they can cause cancer and other age-related diseases that we obviously don't want to be involved with. My mom died of ovarian cancer back in 2001, way before I was involved in this medicine. My husband's family has diabetes on it. I've got some heart disease on my dad's side. We've got blood pressure issues. So these are the type of diseases that not only for myself and my family that I want to prevent it for everybody, and that's the medicine that we're doing.
Well, it's amazing. I mean, you make people feel better, look better. We were talking about personally, professionally. You do it all. And Jeremy, I want to talk to you about your story. So
Sure.
You were telling me some of the stuff off camera, but it was really amazing. Talk to me about what made you finally call 25 Again.
Well, I had a good friend that I'd worked with, Brent Van Horn. I worked with him at Ford for about 10 years, and him and I had the same eating habits, bad habits. We worked hard. We couldn't figure out why the weight wasn't dropping off, but we were eating all this crazy food. He had really good success with it. So I just finally got tired of it and called and started with the first program with the hormone-based. Mm-hmm. They suggested that I would get my blood right, then go that as a baseline, and then go from there with the diet plan. So we did that about a year, and they were, are you ready to start the diet? And I was like, no, I'm not ready to change. So eventually, January 1st this year, I said, you know what? I'm sick and tired of feeling sick and tired. Mm-hmm. And we started the program, and I did it for about 45 days.
And what kind of results did you have after 45 days?
I lost 60 pounds.
60 pounds in 45 days.
Yes.
That is
I think we got some before pictures there, yeah.
We love before and afters.
Those pictures, they were one of them that drove me to saying this is enough. I didn't realize how heavy I'd gotten. Right. And I started looking at the pictures, and that's just not me. I got too much I want to accomplish. I want to live for my kids. I don't want to, get out of shape and die.
Right. You can't. Yeah, absolutely. Now, Lisa, I mean, you've been doing this for a lot of years, and I've known you for a lot of years. Mm-hmm. This story never gets old, does it?
No, it never gets old. It's so exciting.
I mean, what a game changer for him. Not only, so now you feel better.
Absolutely.
You clearly look better. I mean, no offense. I know I got some weight I need to lose too. I get that. But you look great. You feel great. Talk about some of the benefits that you've seen at home.
So, with the diet, I noticed the mental clarity. Mm-hmm. All right, so when I would get stressed, I would eat. When I was happy, I would eat. Everything come around to eating. Well, with the diet, they give you some injections that kind of curbs that hunger. So I've always noticed when I'm on a diet, I feel better, but this one, like, really, I felt so much better. My mental focus, I was able to open a new business within a month of being on the diet. There's no way I'd have had the energy or drive to create a real estate business overnight like that. There was just so many things. I could concentrate. My wife noticed the difference. My mood was better. Mm-hmm. And then I was seeing results. I was dropping 1 pound, 2 pounds a day in the beginning, and it was like, okay, I can do this. I'm seeing results.
Yeah, a lot of people, when they see results, that's what really keeps them going, right? I mean, mm-hmm. And that's how you said you were your mindset was, right?
Absolutely. I'm results driven.
Yeah, so real quick, let's talk about the business, because I think that's huge, and congratulations, by the way.
Thank you.
Give me a little bit of background on where you were and where you are now.
So I was with a big box with Remax for about 4 or 5 years, and I just decided, our team decided we wanted to do our own thing, and so we did. And like I say, it's a lot of work. Most companies fail opening real estate brokerages. There's only 15% of the agents make it anyway. So this was a huge risk. And with the energy, with losing the weight and the mental focus, I was able to push through all those obstacles, and my whole team was able to transfer. I transferred 20 people.
Wow.
And built a business.
That's huge.
Overnight.
Yeah.
So, and we're winning. We like to win.
Well, and you're winning with your weight loss, and you're winning with the way you
It's
feel.
been a good year.
And you really credit this to be a big part of the reason you're able to do it, right?
There's no way I could have done it. I wouldn't have had the energy, the drive, the stamina, and the mental focus. There was just a lot going on moving 20 people.
Well, we love it. Congratulations professionally, and we've got more to get to with you, and of course a lot more to get to with Lisa. But now